Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 F-450 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-450 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, dual rear wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, ventilated front seats, trip computer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.